Now, let's just say that we need to insert a cell somewhere. You can right click anywhere in column C, and you're going to choose Insert Cells and then Shift Right. So we're not going to use the same spreadsheet that we used for the last activity. We are going to use a different one. So let's say that you are manually inputting data and you got off track, and this 77 belongs here, and this 88 belongs here, and this 77 belongs here. So you need everything to shift over one cell. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on that cell, and then you're going to go to Insert Cells. And you've got two choices. You can insert the cell and make everything else shift to the right, or you can make everything shift down. So we're going to choose Shift Right. And now notice everything is moved over one cell, and I can put the correct grade that was supposed to be in here. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, try going into freezing columns and rows, and then just select any cell, right click, insert cell, and go ahead and choose. You can shift them right or shift them down, whatever you choose. All right, now I want to show you how to insert columns. Let's just say we're going to go to the percents tab, and we're going to right click anywhere in column F, and we're going to choose Insert Column. When we choose that, the new column becomes F, and everything else moves over. So F will be in G, G will be in H, etc. Okay? And when we insert that column, you're going to put quiz 4 at the top as the header. All right? So I'm going to go over here to my workbook, and I'm in the freezing columns and rows. No, I want to go to percents. And right here, I ended up giving a fourth quiz. So I'm going to right click. I can right click on the header for column F, but I can also click anywhere in here, and I can insert a column. And it tells you that it's going to insert it to the left. That's new. It didn't used to do that. When you select the entire column, you have a choice to either insert it to the left or to the right. So I want to insert it to the left so that my column, my quiz 4, will be here. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for rows. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to row 12, and we're going to insert a row. Everything should move down, and then we're going to insert a new student. So we can do Mickey Mouse, or we can do anybody we want. So column, here's row 12. I'm going to right click on it, insert one row above, and this is going to be, last name is first, so it's Mouse, Mickey. Okay. All right, so here's your challenge. Add test 4 in the column, and it was in column F. And then add any student that you want anywhere on the spreadsheet.